Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your phone settings as not secure and giving some reference number in your Gcash app. First thing first, let's make sure your application is updated. Head over to your Play Store, search for Gcash. If it says open, it is already updated. If it shows update, select update. Now launch your settings, scroll all the way below and you will see developer options. If you have enabled it, select this on button and toggle it off. Now come back onto settings, select apps. Select three dot icon, go for special access, select install unknown apps. And make sure deny all is selected. Once you select deny all, it will be denied and it will be graded in. Now once you do so, restart your device, launch Gcash and see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working, long tap onto your app, select uninstall, reinstall again and this shall fix your problem.